Here are the ancient Hyrcanian forests in northern Iran, with trees that have stood on the ground for thousands of years and hold the secrets of the earth in their chests. I stepped into an ancient forest where history whispers among the intertwined branches. The green, dense leaves spread out like a roof above my head. I continue my path through the trees until I reach a rushing river. I have no choice but to cross it. I step into water. The cold current involves my feet. After crossing the river, my eyes are fixed on a special tree, a wild walnut tree. I picked one up, feel its rough skin, and bring it close to my nose. It's warm. Earthy scent fills my nostrils, and scent that takes me back to the distant past, to a time when nature was still carefree and pristine. I lay on a hammock between two trees. My body has sunk into a blissful calm after a long walk deep in the forest. I close my eyes and listen to the birds singing, as if each one tells a story from the ancient forest. I wake up with an incredible peace, still immersed in the softness of the hammock. I reached over and picked up the last of the Mohicans. Flipping through its pages transports me to another world, an adventure in unknown lands, Indian tribes and friendships and enmities formed in the heart of the wilderness. I put the book aside and pick up my mandolin. My fingers glide gently over the strings of the instrument, and the soft melody flows through the air. A melody that's blended with the harmony of the wind and birds. A moment that seems to belong to eternity in the embrace of nature, away from hustle and bustle of the world in the mysterious peace of the forest. As I walk the winding forest path, the humid air fragrant with the scent of ancient trees and wild flowers refreshes my soul. The sounds of colorful birds calling to each other with different songs caress my ears. With every step I take, the sound of distant waterfall grows stronger. I like a mysterious melody calling me to it. I focus, then press the shutter button and capture a unique moment. The sound of shutter echoes in the silence of the forest, a brief but meaningful moment, as if time has been immortalized for a moment in this frame. Suddenly, a curtain of mist parted from the trees, a huge waterfall appears. Here, wild nature, with all its beauty and grandeur, embraces me. Water falling from a great height, its droplets scattering in the air. The cool water splashes hard on my shoulders, caressing my sunburned skin and washing away all the fatigue of the journey. I close my eyes and let the water embrace me. My mind is light My soul is fresh and the hot summer is forgotten. Now it's coffee time. In order to make a coffee, I'm going around to gather some dry roots and branches for a fire. And the pleasant aroma of coffee slowly spreads through the air, mingling with the sense of damp soil and green forest leaves. As I hold my cup of coffee, I go back to continue reading my book. Before I conclude my journey, for the last time, I grab my camera to take few more pictures of this magical forest. At the end, with a heart full of gratitude, I thank God for these unique moments and the endless beauty of nature. With the light heart and unforgettable memories, I started the return journey with the roar of the waterfall still ringing in my ears.